Teddy, you want to. But now we want to day. And he did see. Then we showed ya. That was nice shot. He was swimming along. But now I'm at him now. He has a tummy ache now.
Oh no.
He has another. I know. But the rain makes it feel better. No, said the girl.
Does the rain make it feel better?
Yeah. No, I'm not out, then. He has a boo-boo. Now he has boo-boo.
Who has a boo-boo?
Poob.
What are you going to do about it? You're going to put a Band-Aid on it?
Yeah, let's kiss it.
Okay. Good.
Is it better?
Oh, must be better, huh?
Yeah, it is better. Now I'm ill. That's all I can do. But now I'm in the zoo. I'm not going to be too long. But now I must start. I can be right back. But now I'm in a honey tree. And I'm going to be right back. No more. I'm serious with no long. But now I'm going to teach you to be long. But now I'm honey. I'm not singing. But now I have this button my shirt. I will be right there.
Very good.
But now I'm not in the sunset. The sunset is coming down. But the moon is coming up. And it's time nighttime.
Oh, and is it time for everybody to go to bed?
Yeah.
Who's going to go to bed?
Pooh and Piglet and Eel and Tigger and Gopher and Rabbit and Owl.
Oh my goodness.